Have you ever noticed that some older men develop a strong, unpleasant smell, even when they think they're clean? It's a sensitive topic, but it's time we talked about it. This isn't about vanity. It's about dignity, confidence, and self-respect. After 70, your body changes. Your skin holds odors longer, your metabolism slows, and routines that once worked might not anymore. In this video, we'll cover 5 common bathroom habits that may be quietly affecting how you smell and how others perceive you. No blame, no shame. Just practical tips to help you feel fresher, cleaner, and more in control. Reduced flexibility or arthritis can make wiping difficult, leading to lingering residue and odor. Dry toilet paper often smears instead of cleans, especially with softer stools. The solution? Use moist wipes or install a bidet attachment. And for mobility issues, long-handled tools can help. Many men wear the same underwear for multiple days without realizing it traps odor, especially with age-related changes like minor leaks or increased skin moisture. Change daily. Upgrade to breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics. Your skin and your confidence will thank you. A damp, poorly ventilated bathroom breeds bacteria and mildew. That musty air clings to your towels, clothes, and even your skin. Always use an exhaust fan, crack a window, and hang towels so they dry fully. Even if you don't sweat like you used to, body odor can still build up slowly. Retiring doesn't mean retiring good hygiene. Choose a deodorant that works for your skin and use it daily. You'll smell fresher and feel more put together. And the last habit? It might be something you've never thought about, but it could change how you feel every single day. Here's a step many older men unknowingly skip, fully drying off after bathing. Sounds simple, but it has a bigger impact than you might think. As we age, the skin folds more under the belly, between the legs, around the groin. If those areas stay even slightly damp, it creates the perfect environment for bacteria and odor to develop, especially in places that don't get much airflow. If you're using a damp towel or drying too quickly, you're not just missing moisture, you're transferring old odors right back onto your skin. The fix is simple. Take your time. Pat, not rub, your skin dry, especially in hidden areas. And always use a clean, dry towel. Better yet, use a separate small towel for underarms and groin to keep things extra fresh. When you start your day feeling clean and truly dry, everything changes. You feel more confident, more presentable, more like yourself. This isn't just about how others see you, it's about how you see yourself. Because feeling fresh brings back confidence, and that confidence, it shows.